Medica. I am Dr. Raj Bondre and today we are going to learn about Picric Acid. Now let's start. There is lot of weakness, there is lot of heaviness and lot of tired feeling in the Picric Acid. If you will see, weakness is an theme of acids in homeopathy. Now what is the sphere of action of the Picric Acid? Number 1, it acts on brain, it acts on spinal cord, it acts in the lumbar region, in the occiput, in the kidneys and on the sexual organs. Now what are the major diseases that are covered? Typhus palsy is one of the main diseases. If you see mind, there is lack of willpower. If you see further, the idea of marriage is unbearable in Picric Acid. Now, what are other mental symptoms covered by Picric Acid? The patient sits listless, he is having indifference towards the surroundings. And the disease starts when there is prolonged mental strain and anxiety. Patient feels as if the stairs and grounds are coming up to him. Now we'll learn about some physical symptoms. The symptom is about headache. How is the headache? The headache is in the region of occiput and it extends downwards towards the spine. Also there is brain fag. Now what are the aggravating factors? Mental exertion and in the daytime. How is the headache ameliorated? Headache is ameliorated by bandaging, by sleep, and the concomitant symptom is headache is always associated with the violent erections. Now the yellowness is the marked symptom of Picric Acid. The stool is thin and yellow. If you see eyes, the discharges are thick and yellowish. And in jaundice, there is itching all over the body. Also, if you see the vomiting, it is of bright yellow color. Now we shall see the skin. There is boil on the nape of the neck, and in the meatus, that is of the ear. Now the very and most important symptom of Picric Acid, that there is hard erection. There are a lot of lascivious thoughts of males when he sees a woman. And there is impotency but associated with boil. Also there is prostration after seminal emission. Now the action of Picric Acid in the kidney. There is total anuria and there is uremia. And if you will see in diabetes, there is albuminuria associated with diabetes. And as there is prostate enlargement, so there is dribbling urination. Now if you will see the spinal symptoms, which is a very important aspect, the patient cannot sit straight. He stands by his legs apart. There is lot of burning in the spinal cord. Now we'll see some special rubrics that are covered by Picric Acid, that is 3 marks rubrics. If you'll see those, the start of convulsion it extends from the spinal cord. If you see in the throat, there is sensation as if split is there and it is aggravation by swallowing. If you see the headache, there is very important symptom which covers a 3 mark rubric. In the male section, it shows the sexual desire libido is increased with throbbing and pulsating headache in the morning. And there is sleepiness after shock.